Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make mixed fruits veggies together. I have my apple, cucumber. I'm going to cut it and make sure you wash all your veggies, please. Wash it. This is how I'm going to dice all of them. I'm just showing you how I make mine. There are different ways in which you can make yours. And at the end, I also used peanuts and honey. I used honey and peanuts, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you those parts. But the one I show you now is me dicing up my cucumber, my apples. I used other fruits like tangerine, which is the other part of orange. That's other one, tangerine. And then I used pineapple, watermelon, avocado. I don't really like avocado in the mix, so I put the avocado at the side. So this is me still chopping up my apple and other things. And yes, get to know me. Let me tell you some real facts about me. Do you know that I don't really like talking, especially when I'm in a group? I tend to be a ambivert because I don't really like. I like to observe. Yes, that's the word. I like to observe when I'm in the midst of people, especially when they are like new faces or faces I've just met like 2 times or 3 times. They are not my friends. I just tend to be amongst them and just read the room. And when I read the room, I'm like a what do they call it? I'm just like an observer. I just tend to just say, oh, this is this person. I want to know who this person is before I even start being friendly or being too cordial with them. So I can just be like, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and sit close to you. And all I'm doing at the time is just reading you. What am I looking at the point? I'm looking at how you interact with others. Let's just see, even how you are pressing your phone. I might not be looking into your phone, of course, but just how you are responding, your facial expression, even your body expression. I'll just be looking at that. And I think that's not unique to me, but I know that that's something that is really quite that was make me different is the word I'm looking for. So I could just be in a gathering right now, like maybe me and maybe two of my friend or one of my close friend goes to the place, and I might be friendly with the other people there, the other guests there, but I would just be on my own on a low key. I don't know if it is obvious to everyone though, but I feel like I'm low key. I will just be reading other people. And sometimes, I will say now, sometimes there are some certain people that just, pick up my attention. I'll be like, I tend to focus more on them, those kind of people. I'll be like, that's strange. Why did she do like this? That she do like that? Or why did you do like this? Why did you like that? Something like that. So if you're like me, and you want to see more of this kind of vlogs, I go live sometimes eating this mixed fruit. So you can also just subscribe so you can get notifications when I'm live. And also I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about me, like just different untraceable facts or unnoticeable facts, like facts you wouldn't know exist within me. Oh, before, if you see me, but now because I'm talking about it, you know that about me. So that's one thing about me. What else do I know that is about me that you don't know? That is kind of weird. Okay, another fact about me is that I tend to just go on shopping apps, like let's just say for instance Shein, Shopee, any app like that, and then I just tend to just feed my eyes. When you are window shopping, like, window shopping is for like when you go into the shop, even though you don't have any reason to be there, you just want to feed your eyes and all. So I just feed my eye on those feeds. Most times that's where I now tend to buy some things that I need, and of course some things I don't really need. But I window shop a lot on online stores, mostly on Shein or other apps like that. I just go there and I just search for random things. It can be something about, in fact, different things, different apparel is where I go to. Mostly gowns, trousers, anything under the sun. I've searched for it. Even some things I just see like searching online or on TikTok, and then the next thing I'm already down in the rabbit hole of the all those shopping stores online. So those are the two facts I can share with you about me right now. If you have these traits too with you, you can also, or about you can comment and just say me too, like that, so I know I'm not alone. And then, yeah, see you another time. Thank you for watching. This is what I came up with at the end. I used evaporated milk also, so that it will go well. I mentioned that I used honey and also granules. If I can find the video on my phone, I don't know why I'm lost that footage. So if I can find it, so I can still find it, I'm going to include it also. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course share with your friends that are going to like it, or anybody that have these tricks with me can share that, oh, you're not alone, look at Nosokwa is also like this. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye, stay safe.